Hi there, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve your audio. Okay, so we go to the audio effect in the more button. Let's click the more button on the left. All right, then we select audio effects. Right, so we have 5 different options. So we're going to explore all these options. All right, good. Whichever effect that you want to use, you need to drag and drop on the audio clip. Okay, good. So the noise remover is going to remove ambient noise. Okay, so let's drag and drop to the first audio clip. It's the same audio clip. I only made a copy of the second one. So before we begin, I would like us to first of all listen to this audio, just a little bit of it. So I press the play key now. I use a variety of tools to capture and share my video tutorials. Okay, so I won't play that to the end. So if you want to remove noise, actually I did this in a more conducive environment, so you could hardly you will hardly see the difference in when you drag and drop the noise remover. Okay, good. So let's play that to see if you can still recollect, if you can see any difference in the two. I use a variety of tools to capture and share my video tutorials. Alright, so if there's going to be a difference, it's going to be very slight. Okay, you're going to see the much difference when you are working in an environment that you were so surprised that the standing fan that is by your side, is the noise is not being captured when you use the noise removal effect. Okay, good. Then in the property settings, you can see that has been added. So let us remove this and try the second audio effect, which is the volume leveling. So let's play this just like few seconds to hear this. I use a variety of tools to capture. Okay, so let's now drag the volume leveling to the second clip. All right, I don't know if you notice the waveform. If you notice the waveform, you'll see that it has dropped compared to what we have in the first audio clip. So even if you play, you might not see much difference. Let me play the first clip. I use a variety of tools to capture and okay, let me now go to the second clip. Let me drag the playhead. I use a variety of tools to capture and share my video. Alright, I don't know if you notice just slight difference in the volume. The volume leveling, it compresses the audio level, it brings it to a particular best level, that is sound and its quality. So that's what it just basically do. It just brought everything down and it does the best of the audio. Okay, good. Then fade in, fade out is just like when the audio is coming in, it's going to fade in out. So all you just need to use the fade in, fade out is just to click and drag and drop. Okay, you see, do you see the sign? You see the waveform, you see the slant. Then let's bring the wave fade out. You see that. So it will start. Let's listen to it if we can notice the changes. I use a variety of tools to capture and share my video. You see it? It started from low to high. Then the fade out to will be from high to low. Then what about the clip speed? Okay, let me remove all this first. I can click and drag, so it's normal. Click and drag to the edge, it's normal. Okay, good. Then clip speed. We increase the speed of the audio. Okay, so let me click and drag and drop here. Right, so if we come to the property settings, you see that the speed is just 1. That means nothing has changed. Let's now increase double the speed. So I type in 2, then enter key. You can see that the clip has shortened. Let's now play that to listen to how that goes.
I use a variety of tools to capture and share my video tutorials. Camtasia has been one of my go-to tools for years. If you are familiar with any versions of Camtasia,
you can see how fast that went. All right, so but if you feel like, no, I don't like that, let me bring that back to, you pressed 1, then you press the enter key, so you're back. So the speed is normal. All right, so you use this sometimes, probably you need to rush through a particular area, or you just want to create that effect of somebody speaking very fast. All right, so that is all you need to know. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.